I just love being here in the production and seeing so many Nevera being made. Here lots of monocoques waiting for their spot in line. Then we have here the two production lines, station 1, station 2, 3, and here we have 4. Here we have the quality area with the first Canadian car being made ready for the road test. This is the protection we use to drive the cars on the road to not damage anything. So double protected. This wrap and the foil underneath it, so nothing can go wrong during testing.